So I just delivered the logs. I'm gonna go to my truck now, to my friend's truck here, friend Finn from YouTube. Go subscribe to his channel. I have to take it to somewhere to get the oil change. It needs an oil change pretty badly, I heard. It actually has a check engine light, although you might not see it here because BeamNG does not have check engine lights for oil changes yet. See how she sounds. God, that sounds nice. Sounds. Okay, nothing was damaged. Yeah, I've had the disease all day. You know, coughs and sneezels spread diseases, as they say. Alright, slowly pull this out of the garage. Yeah, it's used for finding trees for whatever reason. I don't know why. Hey, don't go towards the tree. God, this sounds good. I might put that into GPS. Let me see. Ah, there's one. God, I'm speeding now. This thing sounds good. Sounds a bit like a, what do they call it, to me it sounds like a, what's it called? Oh, that's right. A scat pack or something, I don't know. Maybe a Charger RT. Soccer mom just hogging up the road. I'm gonna pass it. No, don't go towards the tree. Come on, man. Come on. Uh-oh. Hopefully I don't get fired. I mean, it's only a little dent, so... If it didn't leave any there, it's probably only a little dent. Ding. Come on! Come on, moron! Come on! Forget that. God, people drive terribly down these roads. Come on, man. You know, I don't got no day. Oh my god, I'm speeding. a good Baja vehicle. Not here though, not here though. This is not a good off-road vehicle for here though. Not here. There's no speed limits on these roads, so I can go as fast as I want. Now I have to go get the alignment fixed. Probably got all borked. Got borked from that, I think. Jesus, move! Jesus. So I'm gonna have to take it to the shop and get the alignment fixed and the oil change now. Yeah, the alignment is way out of whack. Come on! Tree. No, don't go towards the tree. Don't go towards the tree. We don't want any more incidents, man. Your wheel is already way out of alignment. I have to pay to fix that. What the hell? Woo! We're drifting. Let's turn here. Here we are. Now to get everything done on this truck that needs to be done. So, I will see you in part 3. Let me check for damage. Alignment, I think, is off. So I'll see y'all in part 3 when the truck gets fixed.